Welcome back to Big Old Betting Tips YouTube channel. Today is 23rd October 2024. Today in the studio I'm alone. My colleague Mehdi didn't manage to come, but we promised to see if tomorrow we can be with him. Today I decided to run it alone, and we see how we shall get it. The good thing, we did the analysis together. The games we are going to give you, they are well analyzed. We were together at the time, but he didn't manage to make it this evening. So yesterday we had four games. Unfortunately, Juventus failed to make it. Juventus ended up losing the match. We managed to win 3 games. This is what we always talk about, that separate or pick 1, 2, 3 games from the games we give you. These are just analyzed games, they are not fixed games. Also, VIP subscribers, thanks for supporting us, for coming in large numbers. Those who didn't get, or we didn't manage to reply your messages, or we didn't manage to talk to you, we promise we are going to make sure that we get more people to handle our WhatsApp chats, so that you can get, so that all of you can get the games. The alternative is YouTube join button. You can click on join button and you follow the procedures. On YouTube, you're going to be paying monthly. Once you pay, you'll be receiving the games in the membership channel. Yesterday we had only 2 games. We didn't manage to get the 3rd game. We only got 2 games. These games we are making all the 6.48, and the games were successful. Congrats to the VIP subscribers. Let's see how we are going to push it today. We see which games do we have. Make sure you come in time so that you don't miss these games. For those who didn't get yesterday, I saw in the WhatsApp chats others were calling. We don't want to reply the messages. No, we would like to reply all the messages, but the challenge is these messages are too many, and because only one day we receive a minimum of around 100 messages, and we want to reply all. So that's why we are trying to get an automatic reply messages, or you can chat to our system. We have to set everything so that we can manage to handle all these messages. So let's try our best. As I told you yesterday, when you see we've not seen the message, keep on sending the message so that your message can come on top and we manage to read it. Because when you send one and another person send, it means your message is going to go deep. We shall not manage to see that message in time, but we shall be getting a day, then we read all these messages, or we serve you all, or either Sunday, it will depend. But we are working very hard to get a team to be handling the conversation or the chat list. So far we have only a few members. We have 2 people who are working on WhatsApp chats for replying. And the alternative, as I told you, it is on WhatsApp YouTube join button to get the VIP games in time. Producer, give me those VIP games for yesterday. We see them, then we continue. Yes, those are the VIP games. Those are the 2 games we had. They were making a total of all the 6.4. Today we have 5 games. I want to go and check these games, then we come back. Make sure you come back. We close this video together. At the end of this video, after coming back, when I'm going to close, I'm going to leave a bet of the day at the extreme end. So make sure you come and watch that video. Don't first go before watching that game. Make sure you watch the video from 0 minute to the end. Let's go and watch these games, then we come back. Welcome back. Those are the games we have today. There are 5 games. They are making a total odd of odd 6. So let's bet responsibly. These games, pick 1 or 3 games, 2, like that. Don't pick a bunch of games. When you get a bunch of games, you reduce chances of winning. But when you're having few games here, this means that the chances of winning are high. Now just imagine that yesterday you picked Inter Milan, yes, AC Milan, and you also picked the second game we gave. Those first 2 games, they were 100% successful. PSG to win or draw, it was also successful. So in case you picked those games, it means you managed to get some good games, but the person who picked all the games didn't get anything good. So let's do that. Select few games from the games we give you. Pick small but to win than picking a lot of games that will make you fail. Or if not, you can come and get already analyzed games, because VIP games we only give 2. If sometimes you give 1 game in the VIP games, but we are so sure this game is going to make it. So VIP members, the number is on the screen. Those who want to join, and in case you fail to contact us in time, you can click on join. That word is near the word big odd betting tips. Under the down, there's subscribers number. Beside there's something written join. So just click on join. It will direct you how to pick or to make payment of VIP. Select odd 2 in case you need the big odds. Select the option of odd 2, because we have the package of goal, we have a package of 1.5 odd, you also have odd 2. So you have to make sure you select odd 2 to get these big games. In case you have less money, you can pick the category or the package you feel like you are comfortable with, because we have both team to score. We also have odd 1.5 plus goal odd 2. That's what I had for you guys today. I'll not exceed from here. Let's go and watch the last game, that is bet of the day. I sign out.